Here come the girls. Whoa, Kinley! Look at you! Choo-choo! What do you think? Choo-choo! There's not even a rail that comes down?
Okay, stop looking.
Good morning. We are at this place called Kitty Acres.
What is it?
Design. I'm starting my vlog.
Oh.
This is the most tiny train track ever. Here we go! Hold on, Kinley. You're going up and down. I'm too short. Woo! Hold on, girls. Woo! Kinley doesn't like it. Kinley, hold on. Hold on, Kinley. You're not holding on. Hold on, Kinley. Mommy has to go up and down. Up and down with you. The girls are going. Whee! Kinley, you want to go on an airplane? Plane. Kinley, say cheese! Yeah, airplane. You don't like the horsey? You love horsies. Woo!
Wow. Here we go.
You're driving your airplane.
Sorry, it's in. Oh, and the other head's behind. That's okay. You'll get it later.
Whoa! Look at you guys.
Awesome. Look at the girl.
You say bye bye. I know, Kinley. You really wanted to go on there,
Yeah, you go next time.
but Mommy's not 100 pounds.
What's that, huh? Oh, I think you said next time what?
Next time she can go on it.
Wow, you're moving now. That's scary. Was that a horn on it, Kimmy? That's scary.
So you're having fun waving?
You're
Waving?
the chief cheerleader.
Goodbye, sisters.
Cheerleader. There we go. Let's say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Ooh, hello. You've had enough of this hello
Wearing
stuff?
your little sister shirt. And they're wearing their big sister shirts.
Your big sister.
Yeah. You want me to hold you? There's Kate. There's your sisters. Hi. Hi, Kate and Grace. Hi. Oh, you saying hi? We're all the way up here, Kaylee. This kind I'm not gonna lie, you guys. This Ferris wheel is a little sketch. Wheel sketch. It's real old. Really old and really tiny. Ready? Hold Mama's hand. Whee! There's Kate and Grace! Hi! Whee! Let's watch for the girls. They're gonna be up here behind us. Say hi, Mimi. Hi, Mimi. Hi. Whee! What's up, Kinley? Hi. Say hi, Mimi. Bye, Mimi. Woo! Say woo! What? Let's watch for the girls. There they are. Hi! Yeah? Okay, bye! Say bye, Kinley. Kinley, say bye.
I'm so glad there's a spot in the
Bye. Can you see? Do you need help walking on these rocks?
Oh boy, look at you.
Alrighty.
This is fun.
Have a good ride.
Yay!
Yeah.
Here come the girls. Whoa, Kinley! Look at you. There you go. Whoa, you cowgirl.
That's right.
probably happy because he's been bench.
Hi, baby! It's a horsey! Say nay! Hi, Kinley! Hi!
Alex, give her a good belly flop.
It's a big wave. You have
You gotta wait for mommy to be watching.
I was wondering if I was going to have to sprint.
You wanna swim to the wall, Mimi? You wanna swim to Mimi? Ready?
The Mimi's not in the water, remember?
3.
What are you doing? The filter?
I dated this guy for a year before he told me to use the pool expert.
Look, Kinley, water!
Was this pool here when you bought the house?
No, I'm just telling her that great
It's a
story.
great story.
I didn't.
You remember swimming deep and across the
Yeah,
street?
yeah.
It was all grass.
Sit on the cow. What does the cow say? Say moo.
Can you record that?
I am right now.
Okay. What does
Kinley, say
the-
moo.
What does the cow say?
Say moo.
Ooh. I think she wants to get off.
You wanna get off?
Okay. Come on your side or my side? You
Your side.
Okay. There we go.
Woo. Come on, baby. Do you wanna go on the slide? You wanna go up on the slide, baby?
Kids are moving so fast.
I know, but they can watch out for the little kids.
You want to go up there?
You wanna go up with me? I'll go up with you. Can you pick her up there? Let's go. I'll take you.
I'll catch you at the bottom.
Papa's gonna catch you, okay? Go up.
Maybe you can tag me back and forth.
Step up. Step up.
Maybe you can tag me now.
Papa's gonna catch you.
No, she's gonna
Watch
come
out,
down, I
Kate.
think.
She's gonna come down.
She's gonna come right down.
Why don't you come around?
You want to go around?
Here you go. Kate, watch out.
Here we go. Here we go. Don't stand.
No, don't stand. Sit. Sit.
Stand. You have to sit. You put your
Here,
feet
let
up
me
like this.
see.
Woo.
No, push her back up.
Okay. Push you back up.
Put her back up.
Okay.
No, wait, on my lap.
Your lap.
Gotcha. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
She's dragging her feet though. Go, whoop.
No.
All right, Kinley.
Tag me, I tag you.
Ready? There, look, there's Kate.
Yeah, take some more.
I can't tag him, but I tag you. Maybe we'll do a little see this.
Whoop. This is a rickety bridge, Kinley. Kate went down the slide. Bye. Bye. No, you don't want to go down that one? Okay, what about this one? Let's go down this one. No? You're not going down? Let's go down the big one. You gonna go down that one? Kinley, I can't fit in this thing.
You fall down.
You going? Woo! Kinley, hold on.
Watch out.
Whee! So Alex and Kinley here.
Oh, we're leaving now.
Stand. Look.
Saying goodbye.
Bye. Here, say bye to Grace. Tell her bye-bye.
That's the way I like
See
it.
you later.
Because you won't see them again. We're going on an airplane tomorrow,
Give you
so
a hug.
come on, you need
Kinley was
to.
giving you a hug. Here, you want to give her a hug? Step down here.
Well,
Turn
you know,
over.
you're fishing. A lot of guys really brave about
Kinley, give her a hug.
right off the
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
Yeah. See, I'll see you later. You want to give her a
It's
hug?
Grace and and now Kate is giving her a hug. Oh. And now Rachel. Give Rachel a hug.
Oh, we'll see Rachel tomorrow.
We'll see Rachel.
Can we give Rachel a hug?
Oh, I'll see you tomorrow. Again, my love.
So we're gonna see Rachel tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll see Rachel after she drops the girls off.
Won't be gone by then, by 10:30 or 11?
I think she drops the girls at 9.
Oh, at 9. Okay. All right. That's good.
Alright? I know.
Kate in pink.
Alright, let me give Grace a hug.
Can you say goodbye to Mimi, Pat, and Grandpa Jerry?
See you in a couple months, okay? And Kinley's escaping. Kinley, come back! Kinley just wants the cow.
I'm gonna. Oh, she's leaving.
Where are you
She's
going?
been on that. Excuse me. She's been on that cow.
Oh, go give the cow a hug. Your foot. You always have to show them your foot at night time. Yes, that is your cute foot. Hey guys, so we just got home a little bit ago from dinner and ice cream with Kate and Grace, which was really fun, except for Kinley just started getting really tired, which is typical. But it was really good. Was your ice cream good? Did you like your ice cream? Was it yummy? Was your ice cream yummy?
Yeah.
What? I don't know what kind of face that was. Okay. Well, you're gonna go night-night, you're sleepy. And sadly, we are leaving tomorrow, you guys. We were supposed to leave Thursday, but leaving tomorrow because my parents have, some obligation on Thursday. So, that stinks, but... So, we had to say bye to the girls tonight because we're not gonna see them in the morning because they have camp. So, yeah, it's sad. It's always sad to leave, especially... Can't like stop. Like... Especially as Kinley's been getting older and, like, you know, really liking playing with them and stuff, it's just harder to say goodbye. Even though I know she doesn't understand. So, but we try not to think of it as goodbye. We think of it as see you next time. So, it's been very fun. It's been a very fun trip, especially with Kinley being older. So next time will just be even funner when Kinley is even older. Right, Kinley? Right?
Bye.
Bye. You're already saying bye? Okay. Okay. Alright guys, well I'm just going to end the vlog here and we will see you guys tomorrow. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye. Can you go and kiss? No, kiss the camera. Kiss the camera right there.